then there's no more money.
No more money after that. So this is your last
No,
chance.
yes, the last chance.
Australia.
Yes,
Yes.
Melbourne.
I have a brother-in-law in Australia.
Oh, do you?
He's in Morumba, Peninsula Morumba.
Ah.
We're down south. We're down east.
Yeah, his name is Venus.
Right.
Venus Page.
Venus Beach.
Venus Page.
Oh, okay.
His name.
Yeah.
And also I have an uncle Australian.
Yeah.
He is Antonio Benson.
Okay. In Queensland as well.
Yeah.
Queensland.
Morumba.
Okay, ginuulat pag-parents na mag-spin daw. Di ba, nanay ng tatay, walay pa. Pilit. Wow, wali na ang tatay. Pakpakantan sa father Hanatong bride. Thank you very much.
Berlin's papa.
And also the mother of the bride. Four. Three.
Where's the mother?
Two.
She's not going to do it.
No. Too shy.
Too shy.
One. Okay. Thank you, Peter and Marlena. Again, let us give them a big round of applause. So our newlywed couple. So you may now return. In our traditional attitude,
Ganda.